We are Mortgage Freeman. This is San Antoine off the Living Proof. You are watching Mortgage Freeman play San Antoine off the Living Proof. Blue Jack and Judy went to gather up some stone. Had to bury Fred and Reno on their way to San Antoine. Look no direction, what they needed was some food. So I gave a place to spend the night, and the mortal told me it was time to move. Got people telling me it's my foul. Kill hell, what you cannot have. So try to keep it safe and try to act like a decent man. I asked Blue Jack what he wanted to find that he could only find in Texas. He said a whole lot of pride, maybe a little something infectious. Just back upside the head, said you ain't gonna let no strange. Just right across the borderline on our way to a Mexican drug exchange. Got people telling me it's all my fault, it's all my fault. Try to look me in the eye, try to give them dance, and it's alright. Really out of more. Visited by a vision, was the ghost of Danny Boone. Nothing I can tell you, kid, nothing I can do, nothing I can say. Wake up Sunday morning, you'll find yourself out there. And all the while you could. Oh, you best move it on.